Misbehavior with a child. Any type of violence, abuse, and exploitation against a child is termed as misbehavior with a child. Physical misbehavior means any action which causes physical harm to the child. All sexual crimes listed in the Commission for Protection of Child Rights Act 2005 are included in sexual exploitation. Any emotional or mental stress caused to a child due to any act or omission of any act by an elder or any other person is included in emotional misbehavior with a child. Any prejudiced act which discriminates a child on the basis of religion, caste, sex, color, or profession is also a misbehavior against a child. Physical punishment is a traditional method of disciplining a child, but any sort of violence, physical, mental, emotional, or sexual against a child has been declared unethical and a punishable offense. These acts have an adverse effect on the overall personality of a child. It can hinder physical growth and can also develop negative behavior in the child. Thus, the children can be subjected to insomnia, depression, anger, self-denigration, irritation, aloofness, poor concentration, and disinterestedness. This further lowers the self-esteem of a child and also removes the sense of security in a child. Duties of children. Rights also demand some duties. There are certain duties which need to be followed by children as well. A child must respect his or her parents, elders, and teachers. A child must provide every information regarding his or her everyday routine to his or her elders. A child must share any knowledge or problem he or she is facing with the trustworthy person. He or she should not force others to give their things to him or her. No more. Mankind owes to the child the best it has to give. UN Declaration of the Rights of the Child. Our security, our responsibility. Our security lies in our own hands. We ourselves are the first responders in any situation. Children should be taught to be aware of their surroundings. They should be aware of any threat that may arise against their security. Children should be educated and made aware of the following things. They should not visit such places where they feel threatened. If they feel any sort of danger, they should leave the place at once. They should never talk to strangers. Wherever they go, their parents should be informed beforehand and given a contact information. A child should not take any gift, eatables, or even a lift from a stranger. If such incidents are brought to light, the teachers or parents should be informed timely. Try to carry out any activity in groups, be it playing or going for shopping. In case of any threatening situation, a child should always shout aloud and call for help. If a child finds someone's behavior towards herself or himself strange or uncomfortable, he or she should report it to the guardians, teachers, or some trustworthy. Call 1098 or 100 at once if a child is alone and feels threatened. A child should not reveal his or her name, age, address, contact information, or any other personal information to a stranger, especially on the internet. If informed about any emergency at home, no child should leave the school without proper confirmation. System for Child Protection. The Indian government has taken various steps to safeguard children. The Child Protection and Welfare Department is actively engaged in looking after the welfare of the children. The main purpose of the department is the effective implementation of all the child-oriented government schemes and programs. The department is also assisted by the following organizations. Commission for the Protection of Child Rights. This commission scrutinizes all the cases related to the violence of children's rights. It also supervises the proper implementation of various government laws and acts. It also supervises the implementation of Compulsory Education Act 2009 and of Protecting Children Against Sexual Abuses and Crimes, POSCO 2012. Rajasthan State Child Protection Committee. This committee oversees oversees the implementation of various programs and laws at the state level. It has branches in all the districts and a district level child protection committee at every block and at the Gram Panchayat level have been established. These committees supervise the programs and create social awareness related to these issues at the district and block levels. Child Helpline 1098. A 24-hour toll-free service has been started in Rajasthan, wherein any case related to child abuse, exploitation, oppression, or information about homeless children can be provided. At present, this service works in Jaipur, Alwar, Bharatpur, Savai Madhopur, Kota, Jhalawar, Barmed, Ajmer, Tonk, Bhilwara, Udaipur, Banswara, Dungarpur, Pali, Jodhpur, Bikaner, Sri Ganganagar, Churu and Sikar.